Finally, it's taken some time, drilled a bunch of holes. We're in about 10 feet of water in a small pond. And I'm just using the Pinhead Pro, just tipping it with a waxer. Gold. I'm not sure if you can see that. Gold 1/16,000 Pinhead Pro. There we go. Well, I'd love to catch a crappie. I never have.
Really?
Never. And I've never fished with them, you know, and I only do ice fishing. I don't even do open water. I do with my boys. I have 3 young boys, so I'm pretty much like a guide service to them. But
well, I'll tell you what, they're weird fish.
But yeah, I'd love to pull one out. That'd be great.
Weird, strange fish. They're a beautiful fish for a panfish, and they're real finicky. They fight like crazy on a rod.
Yeah.
You know, when we catch them in the river, you know, catch a big one probably, I don't know, never really measured one, but probably 14, 15.
Yeah, those are giants.
Yeah. Usually I try to keep 7 or 8. Will give us a big fish fry.
Yeah.
And with leftovers, flayed out. That's about how big they are. Well, I guess the boys are all set to come here as long as they don't push it towards that way.
How old?
My son's almost 15.
Oh, yeah. I got a 13-year-old. My oldest, a 13, a 12, and 11. And the 13-year-old, I'm still iffy about letting him go out. He's so careless.
Yeah. Well, they were all out on the river last week, and I went and checked the river.
Yeah.
Because my parents live on the river, and there's a big cove. So no one can fish it really because there's no way to get in on it.
Yeah.
And which makes it good because he can just go right across the street and he jumps in the canoe or he goes out ice fishing.
Yep.
I went out and checked the ice, and because we had that warm weather. Because I told them all, you know, I fell in the first time. I was 13 years old. I fell in the upper end of this place. I was 13 years old. We rode all the way up there, me and my cousin on a snowmobile trail in March on a three-wheeler.
You fell through the ice?
And I fell through the ice up there.
Oh.
Not on the three-wheeler. I was walking. I was running to a flag and boom, right through the ice I went. Took me right down. That was a long ride back. They're getting bigger.
No, I think it's the same one. That one's
Yeah.
hungry.
Eagle's saying if you leave me one, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll definitely leave him one.
That's a law now, right? You're not supposed to.
I think you can.
Can you?
I know the bald
I do a
eagle.
lot of things that I ain't supposed to when it.
Oh.
I mean, when it comes to feeding the eagle, I mean, the warden's gonna give me shit after I see an eagle fly by, and the only house is right there. Then.
Well, the biggest thing, this is what we've been catching all day, right here, like 6 to 8 inch perch, all day. I'm hoping to get a bigger one, something like 10 inches or something, but we'll see. This little guy absolutely crushed this. I don't know, he's probably 8 or 9 inches. The pinhead bro absolutely crushed it. Got onto a pretty good bite here. I don't know, I probably got like 10 or so, but just a little guy. Fish on. Another perch. Another perch. Another like 7 incher. Well, I think we're gonna call it a day. It's around 4 o'clock. Had a nice little outing. Had time to get out here for like 3 hours and do some fishing for perch. Got like 10 little perch. I don't know, from like 5 inches to 7 or 8 inches. So a bunch of little ones, but still good. Still good to get out here, hook up, use the gear, and have another day on the hard water. We're in Maine, so southern Maine, there's not much ice, but hopefully it locks up soon and we get a good stretch of cold weather. We've had a lot of warm weather, and it's even looked like we're gonna get some 50 degrees and rain here at the end of this week. But anyway, till the next time, keep tuning in and we'll keep giving you some adventures. There we go, another perch. We've got about 10 more minutes. We're gonna get down there, see if we can get one more. We're hooked up. We're getting a late night bite. Another perch. See if we can get another one. It's getting dark. I don't have much more time. But I think there's a little school. See if I can pull another one up here for you. We just landed a nice perch. Let me get this sucker unhooked. Finally, just about ready to go home. And we've got a nice, 9 or 10 inch right there. Nice yellow perch. We'll let it back down. Well, that's it for today. We're gonna head out. Stayed a little bit longer and it paid off right at the end there. I got a nice, I don't know, 9 or 10 inch perch. So biggest one of the day. All the other ones were small, so hung out a little bit longer and got a decent size one, Butte. So yeah, we're gonna head out and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Until then.